Hello, this is Jonathan Moffat here, Application Scientist for Oxford Instruments Asylum Research, and today I want to show you how we do 3D overlays of two different datasets in our software. So with AFM imaging we can generate a topography image like so, and we can represent this in a 3D format as shown here. But often with AFM imaging we get complementary channels such as phase and nanomechanical data, for example. So in this case we can also overlay other data channels with our topography in 3D. So the example we have here is a Kelvin probe measurement, whereby we have a number of different channels here, in this case surface potential being another one. And I want to see how this surface potential map corresponds with our 3D topography. So in the software we have our 3D panel here. We can generate a 3D topography surface like so, and I can now overlay a color map from another data source, in this case potential. I click on do it. It now generates this 3D overlay. I'll just change the color scale to match the one we had for potential and just match the data scale that we had for the previous image. So now we have a 3D topography image, but the color scale, as I said, is surface potential, and we can see differences in surface potential due to different surface features. And in this case we have a relatively flat surface, but we have a jump or a change in surface potential. So this helps us correlate different complementary data sets with our 3D topography and gets more information from our data sets in AFM. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.